In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords autofill. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on General Management. Then scroll again to hit Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill. Click on Google and tap on any password you wish to edit. Then enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!